Hi there. Quick question. Are you dreaming big or are you living fully? Dreaming big or living fully? What if I told you you don't have to choose? Dream as if you will live forever and live as if you will die today. Yes, James Dean. Let me repeat what James Dean says. Dream as if you will live forever and live as if you will die today. Sounds deep, right? But don't worry, I'll break it down, and by the end of this video, you'll have the perfect balance between chasing dreams and enjoying life right now. Hi, I'm Lipika Sud. I'm a motivational speaker, an interior designer, an artist and a poet, and I love sharing beautiful things with you. So let's dive right in. Now, what does this quote really mean? Dreaming big. That's your fuel. Your reason to wake up excited. But living in the moment, that's the secret sauce to actually enjoying the journey. We all know someone who's stuck planning forever, or someone who's so in the moment they forget tomorrow exists. The sweet spot, doing both. And trust me, I learned this the hard way. How do we balance both? Now, let me give you a few quick tips. Tip number 1, dream big, but start small. Want to write a book? Don't freak out. Just start with 1 page. You want to run a marathon? Marathon dreams? Run 10 minutes. The magic, tiny steps add up. Tip number 2, make time for joy. And now, ask yourself, if today was my last day, what would I regret not doing? Call that friend, watch that sunset, order that dessert. You don't need permission to enjoy life. Tip number 3, feel the fear and do it anyway. Nervous about that big leap? Good. Fear means it matters. Don't wait till you're ready, because ready never comes. Just start. And yes, tip number 4, gratitude equals balance. Big dreams are great, but so is today. Every night, list 3 things you're grateful for. Boom, instant perspective shift. So, what do we learn? Dream like you've got forever. Live like you've got only today. Because, honestly, that's all we really have. Now, tell me, what's one tiny step you're taking towards your dream today? You can share it in the comments. And yes, if this hit home, smash that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this reminder. See you in the next one. Live boldly, dream big, and yes, I love you, I believe in you. Till next time, keep smiling.